It's Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to easily mute people in your party, or you can mute everyone in your party chat on the PlayStation 5. So maybe someone came in your room and you want to go ahead and mute everything. Well, there's a couple of different ways that we can do that. So if I press the PlayStation button, then go on down to the game base, go down to parties and go to the right, we can go ahead and choose the party. Now we'll be able to see everyone in the party. And the easiest way just to mute everything, I think, is by using the controller. If you hold down this button right here, it's going to go ahead and mute all the audio. So it's going to mute your microphone, and it's going to mute the TV sound as well. So you won't be able to hear anyone speak or anything like that. And that's pretty convenient. I like doing that. Otherwise, what we can do is go on over to the three little dots for more. And then we can go to mute all. Now this will mute all the voices, but you'll still hear the game chat. And another thing that we can do is going down to the person's name. Just choose their little icon, select it, and you will have the option to mute their voice specifically. And then they will have it cross through the microphone. And that's an indication that they are muted. Now, people are also going to show up as muted if they mute their own microphone. So you can kind of tell if the person is muted when they're not speaking or something, or they just kind of go like very silent. You can just come to this section and you can see if they mute their microphone, which is very convenient. And I use that feature a lot. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.